Settled in 1790 by John Weldon, this quiet farming valley thrived for generations. Then 1941 changed everything. As World War II intensified, the U.S. government seized more than 17,000 acres to build the Weldon Spring Ordnance Works. More than 570 residents were forced from their homes, and the communities of Hamburg, Howell, and Toonerville disappeared from the map. In their place rose one of America's largest wartime factories. Operated by Atlas Powder Company, the plant produced an incredible 880 tons of TNT and dinitrotoluene every day, supplying for Allied forces. But when the war ended in 1945, the factory closed, and Weldon Spring's darkest chapter was only beginning. In 1955, part of the site was used for America's Cold War nuclear program, leaving radioactive waste, chemical contamination, asbestos, and environmental concerns that would haunt the area for years. By 1987, the site was placed on the EPA's Superfund list. A 16-year cleanup followed. Crews demolished 44 contaminated buildings and sealed around 1.5 million cubic yards of hazardous waste inside a massive limestone disposal cell, completed in 2001. Today, visitors can climb to the top of that containment mound, the highest publicly accessible point in St. Charles County. It's one of the strangest overlooks in America, a scenic viewpoint built on top of a buried legacy. The most infamous legend surrounded the abandoned equadome, a massive water treatment plant built in 1941. After it was abandoned, generations of teenagers explored its graffiti-covered halls, and during the 1980s, rumors spread that satanic cults gathered there, performing rituals and leaving strange markings behind. The rumors became so intense that in December 1988, sheriff's deputies arrested 3 armed men at the site. The men claimed they were evil worshippers, searching for another cult they believed was planning a sacrifice. No evidence of a ritual was found, but the incident only added to the equadome's reputation before it was eventually demolished in the 1990s. Local folklore says that along the old Hamburg Trail, those walking through the woods at dusk may hear phantom church bells or children laughing from communities that vanished decades ago. Others describe an eerie silence hanging over the land where entire towns once stood. Even Francis Howell High School carries its own ghost stories. Students and staff have whispered about unexplained footsteps, slamming doors, cold spots, and shadows moving near the auditorium after dark. Then on April 16, 2022, another mystery unfolded. 22-year-old college student Fasika kinfe tadele was traveling from Florida to Kansas when he was involved in a minor crash near Weldon Spring. After a tow truck brought him to a nearby gas station, Fasika walked away. His vehicle and personal belongings were left behind, and he has never been seen again. Today, hikers and families explore this land without realizing they are walking through the remains of communities that vanished. Beneath the trails lies the memory of 3 forgotten towns.